Hey guys, so some of you ask what I like to get up to outside of the workshop. Well, today it's still technically a work day, but I am off to see my friend Kerry at the Kerry Decorative Painter. So I'm just waiting to set off for the train, and I'm currently not caffeinated because I've run out of coffee, which is just like, I need coffee. I need coffee. So I'm a little bit out of it right now until I get to the station where I can get myself all caffeinated. Also, this really super healthy breakfast.
Suspicious, please report it to a member of staff of the British Transport Police.
Bailey's coffee. Just arrived at Kerry's shop and it's so pretty. And she's done a really cute Christmas display as well. So let's have a look inside. Alright, taking a drink out with me and my phone. Not the best idea in the world. Push. Are we gonna have wine?
We're having wine.
We're having wine. So this is what we're going to be painting today. We're going to have a little paint off. So I'm going to paint this, Kerry's going to paint that, and we are going to be painting it. Excuse the mess. Oh, okay. We're going to be painting it in TERRA clay paint, and we are both going to be using the same colours, but doing it in different styles. No, I'm not saying like that. Hang on, what am I saying? I always go so and
Hello.
instead of just going straight into it.
Help is on the way.
Right, so we've finished our pieces now and I'm going to show you the full reveal in a second. But make sure that you head over to Kerry's page, Kerry Rose Decorative Painter, before you do that, and let us know in the comments what you think to the final looks. And have a lovely time painting. Bye-bye.
Bye.